Kalispera guys, good afternoon. Just about to go for lunch in a galley fish taverna. Right, let's see what they got. Anyway, you want? E me cattiskevi video Folegandros.
We have a lobster.
Lobster.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Some mullet.
Mullet, red mullet.
Yeah. Some scorpion fish.
Scorpion fish.
Lion fish.
Lime, wow.
Yeah. Some papagallo. And that's it for today, guys.
Oh yeah. Got the stuff.
You're welcome.
So we've just come to the fish restaurant that we were going to go to yesterday for dinner. We've come for lunch instead today. We've gone for pork chops and calamari. But the pork chops look good.
They do look good.
So, let's move the chips as well.
Nice pork chop.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Pork chops are lovely. Really juicy. Calamari's just come out.
The fat on these as well, it tastes like crackly.
You know what I mean?
So
It
good.
does. It tastes like the pork you get on a Sunday dinner at home.
It tastes so good. Okay, the calamari, they're like thick rings. Are they hot? They're hot, we'll give it a minute.
Right guys, I'm going to try the calamari now. Looks good. Fresh out the Aegean Sea. Tell it's a fish restaurant. Good calamari.
Very nice.
That was lovely, wasn't it, Kit?
That's one of the best films we've had it here.
Do you reckon? It's a lovely meal here. Taverna a galley, right on the beach. Can't miss it.
Yeah, the food here is actually really nice. You can taste that it's all fresh as well.
Yeah, straight out of the Aegean to your plate. Kalispera guys, good afternoon. Kit's just sat in the bar we've been drinking at the last few nights, Aquarius bar, and I decided to have a little walk up to the Panagia, again the beautiful church. We've got Chora there, the main town, Castro there on the edge. Over there you've got Anna Maria, and just round that corner is a galley, the beach resort where we're staying. Right, I'm going to have a little walk up to the top and then I'll go and join Kit. Kalispera guys, we're back at Aquarius bar, the bar we've been for the last few nights we've been in Chora, because they do the best cocktails. As I was saying, I don't even like cocktails, but the cocktails here are 10 out of 10. Kit's drank through most of them, haven't you?
Yes.
And this one she's got now literally tastes like popcorn. Any lepto?
Yeah, it tastes like popcorn, it's bad. But what's in it is rum, passion fruit, pineapple and lime. So I'm not too sure how they make it taste like popcorn, but it's really good.
I haven't even decided what I'm getting yet, that's why I just told the lady 1 minute. I do like a Moscow mule, I might go for a Moscow mule.
It's a bit different, isn't it?
Yeah, I'll go for the Moscow mule. I've gone for a Moscow mule now, instead of you. Yeah, that is lovely. If you're not sure what Moscow mule is, it's vodka, ginger ale, lime, something else as well. Well, that might be it.
I think that might be it.
I think that might be it, yeah. But it's got a really nice fizzy. If you like root beer, ginger ale, you'll like the Moscow mule because that's the main component of it. It's really nice.
It's spicy.
It's a bit spicy, isn't it?
It's nice though.
Right guys, we are back at Souvlaki Club. I've got a mamos. Guess what Kit's got before I turn the camera around? Gonna give you a few seconds to guess. Classic Coke.
We'll get something different one day to free you all up.
Yeah, we just had a couple of cocktails at the Aquarius bar. It was really nice. But we're back at Souvlaki Club now because they do really nice souvlaki here. I've gone for I wasn't sure what I wanted, so I've gone for a few different things to try. I've gone for the herino gyro, the kotopulo gyro, so I've got the chicken, the pork, and I've got country sausage as well, so I'm looking forward to that.
I've gone for the lamb kebab.
Yeah, Panagia recommended the lamb kebab, so Kit's gone for the lamb kebab. It sounds banging to fair, just so good here, doesn't it? The food's unreal here at the Souvlaki Club.
Unfortunately, it is actually raining tonight, so we're all under umbrellas. It's not heavy, but it's just a shame. Our last evening and the weather's a bit now. There's nothing hectic, to be fair. It's just like...
Yeah, it's alright. Not the end of the world, is it?
We've had worse than rain.
Yeah.
After the lightning then.
Did you?
Yeah.
Right guys, our food's come out. I've got the pork souvlaki, the chicken souvlaki and the country sausage. Kit's gone for the lamb kebabs. They smell them real.
Smells delicious. The kitty cat.
Got a feeling they're going to be banging, Kit. Really nice. Yeah, go on, I'll try a bit. I'm going about this country sausage, so I'm going to go for this country.
Doing my head in about this country sausage all day.
There's another Solera, ginger and
No
white.
one can replace my Solera. Look what Sarah's doing right now.
Right, let's try the country sausage. Yeah, mas. Poliori filet.
Bravo.
It's really nice, that is. It's got that classic. If you've had the sausages in Greece, kind of similar. It's like a really smoked. It's got a very strong smoky flavour. A little bit like a saveloy, but a lot better. A little bit. The pita bread here at Souvlaki Club is absolutely unreal.
So soft.
It's really good bread, isn't it? Got to be the best souvlaki on Folegandros, isn't it?
There's a cat staring right at me. It always make me feel so guilty. We've got one either side of us and one in front of us.
It's funny because Kit wasn't sure whether to get the lamb chops or the lamb kebab, and she asked Panagiotis, and he said it's like asking if you want this finger cut off or this finger. Because either you can't really go wrong here, can you? The menu's banging, really good. Kalispera guys, good evening from beautiful Folegandros. Had another perfect evening here. The hospitality of the people on Folegandros has been absolutely amazing, hasn't it, Kit? Obviously, all over Greece the people are so kind, but there's people here have been very, very special. They've been very kind. I think because it's such a small island, we keep seeing the same faces again, and everyone's been so kind and lovely as expected in Greece. But it's such a nice community, like a small community here, isn't it? We're just waiting for a taxi now.
Oh, the one and only taxi.
The one and only taxi driver in the whole of Folegandros. Let's hope we haven't.
When does he sleep?
Oh,
Is
no.
my question.
Well,
Like, I'm not being funny, but say if we called him at like 4 in the morning, and then if we decide we want to call him again at 7 in the morning for whatever, it's the same driver. When does he sleep?
I know, it isn't fair on him, is it?
What if he's eating dinner?
It isn't fair on him, is it? They need to do something about that.
What if he's sick? What if what's going on? I've got so many questions. Why is there one? It doesn't work.
But yeah, we're waiting for the one taxi driver on Folegandros now, because we don't have any transport this evening. But I'm going to leave the video here, and I just want to say Efaristo Poli to everyone on Folegandros for being so kind and sweet. It's a beautiful island, and I'm sure I'll be back in the future. And I'm going to leave the video here. So see you all on the next one.
Kali
Kali Nikta.